Hi, today I'm for the Infinix Note 12 Pro and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store app, and after that in the search bar here we should enter the Ampere. Now we should get this first application, that's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing. After that, click to open the app, tap to yes, agree, pick close, click to OK in the left down corner, and after that you'll see here the information about your device battery temperature. In my case that's 27 and 9 degrees. Also we can see here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.